Under decimals, under decimals, I think we've talked about this before. The book calls it writing equal decimals, or equivalent ones. And the basic gist of this is that you can do this. Write this down in your notes. You can add zeros after decimals without changing how much it is. For example, that just means this. It just means this. If you have 0.6, which is 6/10, that is the same exact thing as 0.60, which is 60 hundredths, which is the same thing as 0.600, which is 600 thousandths. Those mean the same thing. Normally we write this one because it's easier. Our minds can understand 6 out of 10 better than somebody saying 600 out of 10 out of 1,000. Okay, but there are times when you do need to add zeros, and you're allowed to do that. Noting, people, you can't just do that anytime you want. I can't do that with the number 5, right? I can't just put a 0 after 5 because that changes the number from 5 to 50, and those aren't the same numbers. But after decimals, you can. You're not just allowed to willy-nilly just add whenever you feel like. Decimals, it doesn't. And here's an example. The book will say, write, what's wrong with the board today? Write 12.6 with 3 decimal places. And that sometimes confuses people. When it says 3 decimal places, that just means this, that you have 3 digits after the decimal. This is 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places. So what would 12.6 be with 3 decimal places? It would be 12.6 with 2 zeros after it. Okay. And do know that you can't put zeros before the 6 though. Don't do this. Don't go 12.006. Those two are not the same number. Because that's 6 1,000ths, that's 600 thousandths, and the zeros have to come at the end. And they'll do things like this. They will make sure you understand that because they'll give you, if you compare 0.5 compared to 0.500, which one is bigger? How do those compare, Zach?
Equal.
They are equal. For the very reason we just talked about, you can always add zeros after this and not change it. But be careful, if they give you this, 0.01 compared to 0.10, which one's bigger there? Wait.
0.10.
Right. Because this is like having 10 cents, that's like having 1 cent. It matters what place they're in, but you can always add zeros at the end of it. Is there another one? I don't know. Oh yeah, they give you lots. How about this one? 0.4 compared to 0.04. Which one of those is bigger? John?
0.4.
Yeah, 0.4. Because if you put a 0 after it, this has a 40 after the decimal, and that just has a 4. So, hopefully,